See, there's two ways to look at it. One is AI doing the work a human would normally do? The answer is yes. Can AI completely replace a human? The answer is probably no. The reality lies in where you apply AI and what kind of work that we are able to leverage AI in delivering an outcome that will benefit the end customer, like you and me. So it's not a straight answer. I would have to opt to say it depends, but then it also depends on what problem are we trying to solve. Instead of just saying, would a human be replaced by AI, I think we can rephrase the question to what problems can AI solve that will enable human experience. I think that will be a right way to approach it. What we have seen so far is an ability to improve roles performance. It could be network engineer, it could be developers, it could be customer service representatives. Today's influence has been more in terms of improving the efficiency and the experience of what each of them do. There could be a future where this could be not just augmented, but have different roles in how an AI plays. For example, today a customer service rep has AI-driven insights that is helping them handle certain calls. Tomorrow it could be the other way around. The agent could take the call and the human could advise the AI if something didn't work out. So the roles could be reversed, but it's more of an enabler today, and it continues to evolve in improving the experience of each of these ways. The way we look at how Infinite can help through the overall journey of the AI transformation is to get through in phases. First phase is more about human-like experiences. I think in any major technological shift or any object that's out there, there is an expectation to have a human-like change. So today, we speak to another human being, so we expect AI would have speaking capability. We visually see things. We want AI to display certain things the way that we would like it. That's the start. But again, if you go back to, say, how we were building vehicles, if everything was to depend on horsepower and we want to add more horses, we will never have cars in the road. So it has to change in terms of not trying to mimic a human all the time, but there's a different way of approaching it. So right now we are in a phase where we act, behave like a human, but then there is going to be a next phase where we won't have to. There's another way of doing it, and that would have exponential benefit to the end use cases we're trying to solve. Today there's a lot of scare in terms of what AI will do to specific roles. I think we'll have to get past that. There's enough evidence right now to say it's not going to just purely replace what a human does. It probably will replace certain roles, and new roles would emerge. And as a civilization, we always figured out, what's next for humans to do. So I don't see, AI completely taking over everything that we do, but there'll be new work that will evolve from what we are doing currently. So each of these roles have been changing, and that's been changing throughout. I mean, it's not just today we started changing because of AI, but the roles have been continuing to evolve. Maybe the pace of change has, accelerated, but I think these roles will evolve, and we would still be doing something that would help, incrementally make our lives better in whichever field we choose. Everyone is looking at implementing AI in one form or another. It is important that we realize what business problems we are trying to solve. Is AI the answer for everything in the world? Probably not. But can AI help solving those problems in the world? And the answer will be yes. So I think we should start looking at what are the key problems, be it customer experience, be it churn, be it net experience, and so on. So we look at specific problems and leverage AI to solve those problems. And through that, we infuse more AI as a, overall telco's operations. And not just to say tomorrow I'm going to be an AI telco. It's more about what problems I'm going to solve with AI that will make the telco better and offer better customer experience to end customers.